Welcome to the 4 plus 4 channel. Learn math with fun. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of fractions. We're going to break down the basics of fractions and make them as easy as pie. So, what exactly is a fraction? And what has it to do with pizza? Well, think of it as a way to represent parts of a whole. A simple fraction consists of two numbers, separated by a horizontal line. This is an example for a fraction. The top number, in this case 5, is called the numerator, and it tells us how many parts we have. The bottom number, in this case 8, is the denominator, indicating the total number of equal parts that make up the whole. Alright, let's take our example, and think of it as a pizza. As the denominator is 8, this is the total number of slices our pizza have. In our example, the numerator is 5. You can imagine it as after eating 3 slices of the pizza, we have 5 slices left. To sum it up, a fraction 5 over 8 is like having 5 slices of a pizza with 8 slices in total. Fractions come in different flavors. We've got proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. A proper fraction has a numerator smaller than the denominator. An example is 3 over 8. An improper fraction has a numerator equal to or larger than the denominator. 11 over 8 is an example for an improper fraction. Let's take this fraction and define it again as a pizza. In this case, we have 11 slices. As one pizza has 8 slices, we have one complete pizza and 3 extra slices of a second pizza. In this example, we could write it as a 1 for the complete pizza, plus a fraction of 3 over 8 for the 3 left slices. This kind of notation is called mixed number. So every mixed number can be converted to an improper fraction, and vice versa. Now that we've mastered the basics of fractions, let's explore some other concepts that build upon this foundation. These are reciprocals, ratios, and division. The reciprocal of a fraction is simply flipping it upside down. For example, the reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. It's like finding the mirror image of a fraction. If you multiply a fraction with its reciprocal, you always get 1 as result. Ratios are our next topic. They compare two quantities by dividing one quantity by the other. For example, if we have 3 apples and 5 pears, the ratio of apples to pears is 3 to 5. Ratios are usually written with a colon between the numbers. But they can also be seen as a fraction. In our example, the fraction would be 3 over 5. Fractions can also represent a division. If we have 5 divided by 7, as a fraction, this could be written as 5 over 7. If you map a division to a fraction, you can say that the numerator is the dividend, and the denominator is the divisor. Alright, let's sum it up. We have learned what fractions are, some important key terms, and what fractions have to do with pizza. We talked about proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. We have seen what reciprocals are, and what relationship fractions have to ratios and division. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more math content. You can also download our free 4 plus 4 app for testing and improving your math skills. It's available for Android and iOS. Thanks for joining.